Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove phone number from Facebook. Alright, let's begin. Open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to open Account Settings. From here, select Account Center. After that, scroll down and tap on Personal Details to view all the phone numbers and email addresses linked to your Facebook account. Tap on the phone number you want to remove. Now select the Delete Number option. Facebook will ask for confirmation, so tap Delete again to confirm the action. Your phone number will be removed from your Facebook account successfully. This helps improve privacy and prevents your number from being used for search or login purposes. So, that's basically how you can remove phone number from Facebook. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.